Hi everyone, today we will be discussing about WhatConverts, and this is the best lead tracking for marketing agencies. Before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto WhatConverts. So let's just dive right in. Now, since this is a platform for tracking your marketing agencies and different type of services, you are going to be having different type of marketing and tracking features in here. Like for example, if you want to capture calls, forms and chats, it is going to be providing you different type of features related to that. So if we talk about the features, it has call tracking, chat tracking and form tracking and much more, as you can see. So basically these are all going to be utilized if you are trying to track a service that are you providing. Let's say you have an e-commerce platform, you're going to be needing how many leads you have generated, how many orders they are getting. You have e-commerce for that. So if you head over to that, you will be able to see we have e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics. So it is also integrated with Google Analytics. You can see in the integrations section, you have your Google Ads and Google Analytics, and many other integrations are in here to make your workflow even more effective and seamless. So an amazing platform that is going to be providing you all in all features for lead tracking, especially for the marketing agency. You can give it a try to this platform. It also have your report generation systems. So if you are generating leads using different type of landing pages, you can do that as well. And if you are unsure about if this platform is for you or not, whether you are running an agency, if you are a group of marketers or franchisees or business owners, this platform is going to be providing you amazing services. If you are unsure about what people think about it, you can see satisfied WhatConverts customer for last 3 years. Also the Swiss Army knife for call tracking. So basically people are having amazing reviews, like for example empowering marketing success with comprehensive lead tracking. You can give it a try to WhatConverts using the link in the description below to get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Make sure to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.